BTFD Coin smashes $1 million presale, while Dogs leverages Telegram, and Floki Inu surges by 89%. Best meme coins to invest in this week. The crypto world continues to be captivated by meme coins, and this week is no exception. Floki Inu is surging with an 89% increase over the past month, along with Binance backing for its Wise Monkey airdrop and its rapidly expanding ecosystem. At the same time, Dogs Coin is leveraging Telegram's massive user base, introducing blockchain technology through tokenized stickers and a community-focused approach. Both projects are making waves, but they're joined by a rising star that's dominating headlines, BTFD Coin. With its presale smashing milestones, $1 million raised, 23 billion coins sold, and over 2,400 holders in just 10 days, BTFD Coin is capturing the imagination of investors worldwide. If you're searching for the best meme coins to invest in this week, these three deserve your attention. BTFD Coin, own the dip, run with the bulls. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to jump onto the next big crypto wave before it takes off? BTFD Coin offers just that, a golden chance to own the dip and join a growing community of investors riding the bull run. BTFD isn't just another meme coin, it's a movement. With a vibrant ecosystem and tangible rewards, it's already making waves in the crypto world and standing out as one of the best meme coins to invest in this week. One of the most exciting updates for BTFD Coin is the launch of its staking program on December 2nd, offering a remarkable 90% annual percentage yield, APY. This staking opportunity not only incentivizes holding the token, but also provides a great way to earn passive income. Whether you're a Gen Z investor building your first portfolio or a banking professional looking to diversify your assets, staking BTFD is a smart way to grow wealth. The combination of high APY and BTFD's momentum makes this an unmissable opportunity to turn holding into earning. BTFD's meme coin presale frenzy is another reason it's grabbing headlines. With 23 billion tokens sold and $1 million raised in just 10 days, the coin is creating serious FOMO among crypto enthusiasts. Currently priced at $0.000064 in Stage 7 of its presale, BTFD offers incredible potential. Let's say you're a Gen Z college student investing $500. That gets you 7,812,500 BTFD tokens. Once the presale ends and the coin lists at $0.0006, your investment grows to $4,687, enough to fund a solo backpacking trip through Europe or set aside for future goals. For a banking professional investing $10,000, those tokens turn into $93,750, a solid boost to any diversified portfolio. Beyond the numbers, BTFD's play-to-earn, P2E, game and staking rewards give it a level of utility that most meme coins lack. Its community-driven nature, already rallying over 2,400 bulls, creates a sense of belonging that fuels its growth. Whether you're looking for a coin with great earning potential or one with a strong community vibe, BTFD is the perfect dip to own. With staking now live and a 90% APY on offer, this coin is set to turn passive income into a reality for its holders. Don't miss your chance to join one of the most exciting crypto presales of the year. Dogs Coin utilizes Telegram's TON blockchain. Dogs is shaking up the meme coin market by leveraging Telegram's massive user base to introduce blockchain technology to millions. Built on the TON blockchain, the project revolves around a beloved dog mascot, creating a fun and engaging ecosystem. Through tokenized stickers and fair rewards distribution, Dogs is making blockchain adoption both accessible and enjoyable. Currently trading at $0.007626, Dogs has shown resilience with only a minor dip in the past 24 hours. The coin's community-driven approach has resonated with investors, and its focus on innovation ensures it remains a standout in the crowded meme coin space. Dogs isn't just a token, it's a gateway for millions to experience the potential of blockchain technology. Floki Inu surges 89%, leading the meme coin pack. Floki Inu continues to solidify its position as a leader in the meme coin market, driven by its community-focused ethos and cutting-edge projects. Over the past month, the coin has surged by an impressive 89%, highlighting its growing popularity among investors. Adding to the excitement, Binance has thrown its weight behind Floki by supporting the Wise Monkey airdrop. Eligible Floki holders are set to receive 0.35 Monkey tokens for every Floki they own, showcasing the coin's ability to provide tangible rewards to its community. Currently trading at $0.002335, Floki Inu is much more than a meme coin. Its rapidly expanding ecosystem includes NFTs, AI-powered tools, and a range of utilities that appeal to both casual investors and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. These innovations reflect the coin's commitment to creating real-world value, making it a top contender in the crypto market this week. Floki's success is a testament to the power of a passionate community paired with forward-thinking technology. The combination of Binance support, innovative projects, and a growing ecosystem cements Floki Inu's place as one of the most exciting meme coins in the market today. With its recent momentum, Floki continues to lead the pack, capturing the attention of investors across the globe. The bottom line. Based on our research and market trends, BTFD Coin, Dogs, and Floki Inu are the best meme coins to invest in this week. Dogs innovates with Telegram's user base, Floki Inu leads with its community-driven growth and Binance airdrop, but it's BTFD Coin that truly shines. With its pre-sale smashing milestones and offering life-changing ROI potential, now is the time to join the BTFD movement. Don't wait, own the dip and run with the bulls today. Disclaimer: any information written in this press release does not constitute investment advice. Optimisys does not, and will not endorse any information about any company or individual on this page. Readers are encouraged to do their own research and base any actions on their own findings, not on any content written in this press release. Optimisys is, and will not be responsible for any damage or loss caused directly or indirectly by the use of any content, product, or service mentioned in this press release.